In 2025, the world of smartphones is buzzing with excitement as one device stands out from the crowd, capturing the attention of tech enthusiasts and photographers alike. That device is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, a phone that's not just making headlines but also setting new standards for what a smartphone can achieve. It's not just a phone, it's a pocket-sized camera powerhouse engineered to challenge the dominance of Apple and Samsung in the premium segment. With its bold design and innovative features, the 15 Ultra is determined to shake up the industry. Xiaomi's collaboration with legendary camera maker Leica has resulted in a device that blurs the line between smartphones and professional cameras, offering a photography experience that was once unimaginable on a mobile device. The highlight? A groundbreaking 200-megapixel telephoto lens capable of capturing breathtaking detail and delivering zoom capabilities that rival even some dedicated cameras. Whether you're shooting landscapes or close-ups, this lens promises clarity and sharpness in every shot. But the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is more than just impressive specs on paper. It's a bold statement about the future of mobile photography. It's about empowering users to create, share, and capture moments in ways that were never possible before. With a dazzling ultra-bright display, a top-tier processor for seamless performance, and an ambitious camera system, the 15 Ultra is designed for those who demand the very best from their devices, whether it's for gaming, editing, or professional-level photography. Of course, no device is perfect. The 15 Ultra's impressive features come with challenges. Battery life can be a concern for heavy users, software quirks may frustrate some, and the premium price tag means it's not for everyone. In this in-depth review, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of Xiaomi's photography-focused flagship, exploring how it stacks up against the competition and what it truly offers to users. Is this the device that finally replaces your DSLR, allowing you to leave your bulky camera at home and rely solely on your smartphone for stunning photos? Or is it a niche tool, best suited for the most dedicated photo enthusiasts and professionals? Let's dive in and find out if the Xiaomi 15 Ultra truly deserves the crown as the new king of mobile photography. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra feels as premium as it looks. From the very first moment you pick it up, you're greeted by a sense of craftsmanship that's rare in today's crowded smartphone market. The attention to detail is immediately apparent, and it's clear that Xiaomi has poured its heart into every aspect of this device. With a sturdy aluminum frame and a choice of glass fiber or eco-leather back, it's both stylish and practical. The materials not only look stunning but also feel great in the hand, offering a reassuring grip and a touch of sophistication. Whether you prefer the modern sheen of glass fiber or the classic tactile feel of eco-leather, there's an option that matches your style. The design nods to classic Leica cameras, especially with its bold circular camera module. This isn't just a visual flourish, it's a tribute to legendary photography, blending heritage with cutting-edge technology. The camera bump is seamlessly integrated, making the phone look and feel balanced, not bulky. It's built tough, boasting IP68 water and dust resistance. You can confidently take it on your daily adventures, knowing it's protected from accidental splashes, rain, or even a dusty hike. This level of durability means the phone is ready for whatever life throws at you. And Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0 for drop protection. The reinforced glass is engineered to withstand the bumps and knocks of everyday life, so you don't have to worry about minor accidents ruining your investment. The 6.73-inch quad-curved LTPO AMOLED display is a showstopper, sharp, vibrant, and incredibly bright at 3,200 nits. Every image, video, and app comes to life with breathtaking clarity and color. The curves melt into your palm, making the phone feel even more immersive and futuristic. Adaptive refresh rates from 1 to 120 Hz keep everything smooth while saving battery. Whether you're scrolling through social media, gaming, or just browsing the web, the experience is always fluid and responsive, with no lag or stutter in sight. Dolby Vision support makes movies pop, delivering cinematic visuals with deep contrast and vivid colors. Watching your favorite shows or streaming the latest blockbusters feels like a true home theater experience right in your hand. And the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the screen is fast and secure. Unlocking your phone is effortless, even with wet or oily fingers, thanks to advanced sensor technology that works in any condition. Every detail, from the curves to the materials, screams luxury and usability. The seamless transitions between glass, metal, and leather are a testament to Xiaomi's design prowess, making the phone as much a pleasure to hold as it is to use. Whether you're outdoors or watching HDR content, this display delivers. Even under harsh sunlight, the screen remains clear and easy to read, so you never miss a detail no matter where you are. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't just a tool, it's an experience in your hand. Every interaction feels intentional, every feature thoughtfully designed to delight and impress. It's built to impress, and it does. Whether you're showing it off to friends or simply enjoying it yourself, the phone stands out as a true flagship. This is a phone you'll want to show off. It's not just about performance or specs, it's about making a statement every time you take it out of your pocket. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a true powerhouse. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and up to 16 GB of RAM make multitasking, gaming, and video editing effortless. UFS 4.1 storage ensures apps and files load in a flash. The advanced dual-channel ice loop vapor chamber cooling system keeps performance steady, even during intense gaming or 4K video recording. Unlike many flagships, this phone stays cool and fast, never throttling under pressure. For gamers and creators, that means reliable, sustained power. The 15 Ultra is built for the future. Fast, efficient, and ready for anything. No lag, no overheating, just pure performance. This is flagship speed, redefined. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra's camera system, co-developed with Leica, is its crown jewel. The quad camera setup features a massive 1-inch 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, a 50MP 3x telephoto, and a groundbreaking 200MP periscope telephoto lens. The result? Stunning detail, vibrant colors, and unmatched zoom. DxO marks top score for zoom performance. Leica color profiles and a robust Pro mode give photographers creative control. Video capabilities are equally impressive with 8K recording and advanced formats like Dolby Vision HDR. There are trade-offs, no variable aperture, and the ultra-wide isn't class-leading. Still, for photography enthusiasts, this is as close as a phone gets to a pro camera. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra sets a new standard for mobile photography. The 15 Ultra packs a 410 mAh battery, solid but not exceptional. Light users will get a full day, but heavy gaming or camera use drains it quickly. Where it shines is charging 90W wired, and 80W wireless charging are among the fastest around. A 15-minute top-up can keep you going for hours, and reverse wireless charging adds convenience. The catch? In Europe, you'll need to buy the fast charger separately. Battery life is average, but charging speed is a game changer. You'll rarely worry about running out of juice. For power users, quick charging makes up for the phone's endurance. It's not the longest lasting, but it's always ready to go. Fast fuel, minimal downtime. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs HyperOS 2.0 atop Android 15. It's customizable and fast, with slick animations and plenty of features. But the software can feel cluttered, with confusing menus and pre-installed bloatware. AI tools like real-time translation and photo editing are handy, but not as seamless as Google or Samsung's offerings. Some features require an internet connection, limiting offline use. Xiaomi promises 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches. Good, but less than the 7 years from Google and Samsung. For tinkerers, HyperOS offers flexibility. For those who want simplicity, it may frustrate. The software is powerful, but not perfect. It's a mixed bag that won't please everyone. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't just another flagship. It's a statement of what's possible in mobile technology today. There are 4 key reasons why this phone truly stands out from the crowd, each one pushing the boundaries of what you can expect from a smartphone. First, its Leica-powered camera system is a game-changer. The 200MP telephoto lens doesn't just capture distant subjects, it brings them to life with stunning clarity and detail, making mobile zoom photography feel almost professional. Whether you're snapping cityscapes or close-ups, the results are consistently impressive. Second, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with an advanced cooling system, ensures you get top-tier performance without slowdowns. This means you can game, multitask, and run demanding apps for hours, all while the phone stays cool and responsive, perfect for power users and gamers alike. Third, the display is a visual masterpiece. With QHD plus resolution, adaptive refresh rates, and industry-leading brightness, every image and video pops with color and sharpness, even in direct sunlight. Watching movies, editing photos, or just scrolling feels immersive and smooth. Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0 takes durability to the next level, protecting your investment from life's bumps and drops. You can use the phone confidently, knowing it's built to withstand daily wear and tear. Finally, ultra-fast charging, 90W wired and 80W wireless, means you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. A quick charge gives you hours of use, so you're rarely tethered to a wall or waiting for your phone to power up. All these features come together to create a flagship experience that's truly hard to match. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't just powerful, it's versatile, premium, and designed for those who want the very best. Whether you're a creative capturing stunning photos, a gamer seeking smooth performance, or someone who loves vibrant visuals, the 15 Ultra adapts to your lifestyle and elevates every moment. It's built for those who demand excellence in every aspect of their device: performance, design, and innovation. If you want cutting-edge technology right in your pocket, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra delivers on every front, making it a top choice for tech enthusiasts. In 2025, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra stands out as a true leader, setting new standards for what a smartphone can be. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't perfect. Battery life under heavy use is average, not class-leading. HyperOS 2.0 is powerful but can be confusing and cluttered with less update support than rivals. The main camera lost its variable aperture, limiting creative control, and the ultra-wide lens lags behind competitors. The price is steep, starting at €1,499 in Europe, and there's no charger in the box. Limited availability means many buyers will have to import. For some, these drawbacks outweigh the phone's strengths. It's a premium device with premium compromises. Know what you're getting before you buy. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a bold, ambitious flagship. It excels in photography, performance, display, and charging speed, earning a solid 4 out of 5 stars. But average battery life, convoluted software, shorter update support, and limited availability hold it back. It's perfect for photography enthusiasts and power users who crave the best camera and performance. If you want simplicity, all-day battery, or a polished ecosystem, consider the Pixel 9 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max, or Galaxy S25 Ultra. The 15 Ultra is a dream for creators, but not for everyone. It's a niche flagship for those who want to push the limits of mobile photography. Choose wisely. This phone is for the bold.